Hello, my name is Alessia. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, we upload a new video every week. We do it every Friday. My goal is to help you understand and speak English fluently. Recently, I had a class with my students where we discussed and practiced prepositions of time. And it turned out that some prepositions of time are confusing. So, I decided to make a video and explain it to you as I explained it to my students. The prepositions of time like for, since, while, during are used with specific tenses in English, like present perfect progressive, or past progressive. But they can be used with other tenses as well. We use for to say how long an event lasts.
For, preposition, used to say how long an action or situation continues for. Bake the cake for 40 minutes. We had been talking for a good half hour.
We use for with the amount of time, such as number of hours, number of days, or months. And it is usually used with a noun or a pronoun, like for a day, for a month, for a week, for some minutes.
How long have you been here? For 3 days. How long have you walked? For half an hour.
So we use for to speak about the duration of an event. During is used to express when something happens. In other words, it expresses or we express what happens inside a period of time.
During the concert. During the game. During the year.
During is usually used with a noun or pronoun. During the class, during the week, during the day. During can go at the beginning or at the end of a sentence.
During my time in New York, I visited a lot of landmarks. I visited a lot of landmarks in New York during the day.
So we use during to say when something happens, and we use for to express how long something happens. We usually use in to talk about months, seasons, years, like in January, in summer, in 2021. And we use in with the following expressions: in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. But be very careful. When we use night, we say at night or at midnight and at noon. And we also may use in to speak about future. Future from now, like I'll do it in a minute. See you in a week. There is a phrase in time, and it refers to having enough time to do something. Like we came in time, it means we were not late. I finished my presentation in time, it means I wasn't late. Let's compare these two sentences. I'm going on vacation in 2 weeks. Or I'm going on vacation for 2 weeks. In the first sentence, in 2 weeks, we are speaking about our future from now. So I will go not now, but 2 weeks later. When I say for 2 weeks, it means I will go on vacation and I will spend 2 weeks on vacation. Both prepositions during and in are used to say that something happens inside a particular period of time. You can say, see you sometime during the morning, or see you sometime in the morning. I will be on holiday during the summer. Or I will be on holiday in the summer. There is no difference if you say in the summer or if you say during the summer. But when we're speaking about the whole period of time, we use during. We don't use in. During summer, it's the whole period of time. During the day means the whole day. The preposition since is used to indicate a starting point after which the action continues. We use since when we talk about past, from past till present, like since December, since Monday, since morning. The preposition since can go at the beginning of the sentence or at the end of the sentence. Since then, he has become famous, or he has become famous since then. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found this video useful. Don't forget to click those subscribe and like buttons. See you soon!